last class we did a fraction about addition of fractions. Okay, we did it in the Google class. Hope you all attended the class. If you have not, then you go to the page number 89 and 87. Okay, examples are given there. You can read the examples and you can do it yourself. Okay, both the exercise 6D and 6E, we did it in the Google class. So today we are going to start 6F. It's about subtraction of fractions. Okay, subtraction of fraction is just like what we did for addition. The process is same, only we need to do is subtraction. Okay, so I will show you one. So as I wrote question number 1A, it's the question is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. So we can see here the denominators are not same. So we have to take LCM. Okay, I'll show you how to do. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. So since the denominators are not same, so we have to take LCM like this. So you know the process how to take out LCM. It is done in the previous classes. So here 2 1 time 2, 3 left, and 3 1 time 3. So 2 3 times 6. 6 is the LCM. Or you can directly also we can multiply and find. Okay, 6 is the LCM. So we will write 6 like this, and we have to find out what to multiply with this 2 to get 6. So we are going to multiply 3 with this 2. 2 3 times 6. That 3 we have to multiply with the numerator 1. 1 into 3. Because we multiplied 3 with this 2 to get 6, so we have to multiply this 3 with the numerator 1. So 1 into 3, then minus. So here denominator is 3. So with this 3, what we are going to multiply to get 6? So we have to multiply 2. 3 2 times 6. So that 2 we are going to multiply with this numerator. 1 into 2. Then we will multiply this 3 1 times 3 minus 2 1 times 2 divided by 6. So from 3 if you minus 2, we will get 1. So answer is 1 by 6. Okay, there is one more process to do this. We have to make LCM, we have to take out, same like this, we'll take out LCM. Then we'll make this fraction equivalent. Okay, 1 by 2 like this. Then 1 by 3. So LCM is 6. So we have to 2 3 times 6 and 3 1 times 3. Same thing we have to multiply with the numerator also. Here also 3 2 times 6. That 2 we have to multiply with the numerator also. So 2 1 times 2, 3 2 times 6. So 3 by 6 minus 2 by 6. And now the denominators are same. We can write like this. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1 by 6. We got the same answer. So we can do this process or this process. In the book it is given like this. So you can follow this method also. So this exercise, most of the questions are same. So you can do it yourself. Exercise 6F, I did one for you. The remaining one also you can do yourself. You don't need to do all the questions. You can do up to exercise question number 1 up to F you do. Okay. Same every question you have to take out LCM. Then you can do it like this way or this way. First method or the second method. And for question, we will go to exercise number 6G. Okay, 6G also subtraction of fractions, but here it is mixed fraction. Okay, so we will do one from this exercise also. Exercise 6G, question number 1A. I wrote for you. You can see here it's a mixed fraction. Both are mixed fraction. So we have to change this mixed fraction into improper fraction, or we can do it like we have to bring this whole number in front. Okay, but that process will not do. We will change it into improper fraction and we'll solve the answer question. So here you can see 3 5 by 6 minus 1 3 by 6. So we will change it now. So we have to multiply this 2 and plus this 5. So 3 6 times 18, 18 plus 5, 23. So 23 by 6. Then here 6 1 times 6, then plus 3, 9. So 9 by 6. So since the denominators are same, so we will write 6 here, then 23 minus 9. So we will get like this, denominator 6, from here you have to subtract now. So 4 here and 1. So 14 by 6 is the answer. Okay, or we got it again in the improper fraction. Okay, so we can change it into mixed fraction also, or if we can cancel it, we can cancel here, but here we change it into improper fraction only. 6 2 times 12, then 2, 13 14. Okay, so we got it, 6 2 times 12, then plus 2, 14. So this is the answer, 2 by 6. And here question number D I have selected because others are same. Question number B also same denominator, C also same denominator. So you can follow this way. And here the denominators are not same. Okay, that's why we have to take LCM again. We will change this fraction into improper fraction, then we will take LCM. So 4 1 by 2 minus 2 3 by 5. Then this one will be, you have to multiply, then you have to plus. So 4 2 times 8 plus 1, 9. 9 by 2. Then here 5 2 times 10, 10 plus 3, 13. 13 by 5. So LCM. Now LCM turn 2 and 5. So you can multiply directly also because this both are prime number. So 2 5 times 10. 10 will be the LCM because they don't have any more other factors. So 10 will be the LCM here. So with this we are going to multiply 5 to get 10. So that 5 we are going to multiply with this 9, the numerator, with the numerator, because 9 is the numerator. So we have to multiply this 5 to 5 times 10. That 5 we are going to multiply with this numerator 9. So 9 into 5 minus, with this 5 we are going to multiply 2, okay, to get 10. So with this 13 we are going to multiply 2. Then 9 5 times 45 here minus, then 13 2 times 3 2 times 6, 2 1 times 2, 26. Then we will subtract 10, 9, then 1. So 19 by 10 is the answer here, improper fraction. Then we will change it into mixed fraction. 10 1 times 10 plus 9. So 1 9 by 10. So 10 1 times 10 plus 9 is 19. Okay, so this is the answer. So you did this part 1, question number 1, you do only up to E. A and D I did for you, you do yourself B, C and E. Turn to page number 92. So what problem are here? Question number 2. Decide whether to add or subtract, then solve. You have to decide yourself after reading the question, then you have to find out what to do, whether you have to subtract or add. So question number 1 for each type I will do, 1 for subtraction or 1 for addition. So question number 2A I will do for you first. So you can see here, Vedika spent half of her pocket money on a movie and 1/4 on a new pen. What fraction of her total pocket money did she spend? So she spent half of her pocket money and then 1/4 on the new pen. So this part she has spent, okay, and how much she left for her pocket money. So this one we have to add first, then only we can say that this much she has spent. So we have to find out how much she has spent. So question number 2A, so you can add directly 1/2 plus 1/4. you can see here different denominator, so we have to take LCM, and LCM will be 2 1 time 2, 2 time 4, 2 1 time 2, so you will get 4 here. LCM will be 4, so 4 will take here. With this we will multiply 2 to get 4, so we multiply that 2 with the numerator, plus, so as it is 4 we have to multiply 1, so 1 1 time, so 2 1 time 2, 1 1 time 1 divided by 4, then 3 by 4, you got 3 by 4, so 3 by 4, fourth part of our pocket money is spent. Okay, at last you can write 3 by 4 of our pocket money is spent. You can write 3 by 4 of our pocket money okay. Then you go to question number C. Mr. Kumar brought 3 liters of milk in the morning. There was 5 by 8 liters left in the evening. How much was used during the day? So we have to, what we have to do, the Mr. Kumar brought 3 liters of milk, and there was 5 by 8 liters left in the evening. So afternoon when he checked, so 5 by 8 part is left. So how much was used during the day? So to find that we have to subtract what is left from the total amount. Okay. So total amount is 3 liters. So I will rub it here. So this side I will do for you B. Sorry, not B. Question number C. C solution. So 3 liters minus 5 by 8. Okay. So it's a whole number. You have to think that something is there in the denominator, that is 1. Okay. So 1 is in the denominator, so we will take 8 as LCM here. Okay. Then with this 3, what to multiply? With this 1, what we have to multiply to get 8? So 1 8 times 8, so that 8 we will multiply with the numerator 3, and it's, since it is 8 here, so 1 we have to multiply, so with the numerator we will multiply 1. So 8 3 times 24 minus 5 divided by 8. Then we will subtract, so 19 by 8. So 19 by 8 is in improper form, so we will change it into mixed fraction. 8 2 times 16, 17, 18, 19, so 3. So answer is 2 3 by 8 part is left from the 3 liters of milk. Okay, so this is the answer, or you can write like that 2 3 by 8 liters of milk used during the day. Okay, that one you can write. So remaining B, D and E you try to do yourself. So exercise 6F and 6G, whatever I told you to do, that one you finish it. And next class we will be doing multiplication of fractions. Okay, so thank you and stay safe.
Stay home, stay safe.
Do it for self.
Do it for your family. Do it for India.
Let's break the chain of COVID-19.
हम होंगे कामयाब, जय हिंद. हम होंगे कामयाब, जय हिंद.
हम होंगे कामयाब, जय हिंद.